Hello, what is the value of a given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here we have 5 to the power of a in common. So we can factor it out. It will be 5 to the power of a, open parenthesis, 5 to the power of a divided by this will be 1, plus 5 to the power of a divided by this will be 1, equals 100. So from here we have 5 to the power of a. Let's deal with this. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Then it will be 5 to the power of a times 2 equals 100. Then the next thing we can do from here is to divide both sides by the coefficients of 5 to the power of a, which is 2. So from here we have to divide 2 by 2. So dividing 2 by 2 from this side, from the left hand side, we are going to have 5 to the power of a left equals, this will cancel out this, 100 divided by 2, this will give us 50. So from here to, what we can do is to introduce log to both sides of this expression. Then let us introduce log. So we are going to have it to be log 5 to the power of a equals log of 50. Then let us recall when we have log a to the power of m, this power m will come down to base as m times log a. So from here, we are going to have this to be a times log 5 equals log 50. Then dividing through by the coefficient of a, which is log 5. So from here, we are going to have a equals log 50 over log 5. Then let us recall that we can have 50 as the product of 5 times 10. So from here we have a equals log, open parenthesis, 5 times 10 over log 5. Then when we have log, open parenthesis, a times b equals as log a plus log b. So we have a equals log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. So from here, we have to recall that when we have a parameter p plus m over n, we can have this as p over n plus m over n, such that p, m, and n, they are all constants, or say they are all member of positive integer. So we can have this as a equals log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Then this will be a. Log 5 over log 5 will be 1 plus log 10 over log 5 Again, we can also have 10 as the product of 5 times 2. So this will be a equals 1 plus log of 5 times 2 over log 5. Again, this will be a equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. So from here to dividing this, we have a 1 plus log 5 over log 5. We have log 2 over log 5. So from here we have a 1. This cancel this will be 1 2 plus log 2 over log 5. A will be 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 2 over log 5. Then when we have log a over log b, this equals as log of a in base b. So we're going to have this as a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. So to check, we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a, we say equals 100. Then when a equals this, we're going to have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 is going to give us 100. So factor this, we're going to have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. This divided by this will be 1 plus 1. Then it's going to give us 100. 1 plus 1 from here will give us 2 times this 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. It's going to give us 100. 5 to the power of 2 is 25 times 2 will give us 50 times 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5 is going to give us 100. The same base output will be 250 times 2 equals 100. 100 equals 100.